Welcome friends, my name is Mai. Today we are making the best stir-fry noodle dish you ever had. The Japanese call it Yakisoba. You can find Yakisoba noodles at your local Asian market. You will also need garlic cloves, green onions, sake, sugar, and soy sauce. Very easy recipe. Begin by chopping the garlic and slicing the green onions. Now, in a small cup, combine 1/3 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sake, and a tablespoon and a half sugar. Boil the noodles according to the package directions about 3 minutes. And here you have the best stir-fry noodle dish you ever had. Wow, this is so good! We hope you enjoyed watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe and press the notification bell